Welcome back, everybody. Today I'm going to teach you how to add Google Tag Manager to Squarespace. This integration is incredibly useful because it allows you to manage all your tracking codes and analytics tools from one central dashboard without constantly editing your site's code. Let's start by heading over to your browser and typing in squarespace.com. Once you're on the Squarespace homepage, go ahead and log into your account using your credentials. This will take you directly to your dashboard where you can see all your websites and projects. Now, once you're on the dashboard, you'll see a list of all the websites associated with your account. Simply click on the website where you want to add Google Tag Manager. This step is important because if you manage multiple sites, you need to ensure you're working on the correct one to avoid any confusion later. After selecting your website, look over to the left side menu. Here, click on Website to expand the options available. Under the Website section, you'll find several menu items. Go ahead and click on Pages. This is where you can manage the structure and settings of your site's pages. Still on the left side menu, scroll down until you find and click on Custom Code. This section is specifically designed for adding scripts and code snippets to your site. Once you're in Custom Code, click on Code Injection. This is the area where you'll be able to insert the Google Tag Manager code into your Squarespace site. Now let's switch gears and open a new tab in your browser. Type in tagmanager.google.com and log into your Google Tag Manager account. Once you're logged in, you'll see your dashboard. Click on Admin, which is typically located in the lower left corner of the screen. In the Admin section, look for and click on Install Google Tag Manager. This will open a window that displays two separate code snippets that you'll need to copy and paste into your Squarespace site. These codes are essential for the Tag Manager to function properly. First, you'll see the header code displayed at the top. Go ahead and copy this entire code snippet. Then switch back to your Squarespace tab and paste this code into the header field in the Code Injection section. This ensures that the Tag Manager loads at the very beginning of your site's page loading sequence. Next, go back to Google Tag Manager and copy the body code, which is the second code snippet shown. Return to Squarespace and paste this code into the footer field. Placing this code in the footer ensures proper tracking even if visitors navigate away from your site quickly. Finally, make sure to click Save in Squarespace to apply all these changes. Your Google Tag Manager is now successfully connected to your Squarespace website, and you can start managing all your tracking codes from one convenient location. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.